today received a package from Marty, aka Strudermaid. Inside is 4 pieces to a spindle grill. A spindle grill styled for 97 plus. Now you do have to put these pieces together. So those of you guys that sucked at Legos, you're going to have a hard time, or want something you can just bolt on real fast, is not going to be a thing. But honestly, it was a joy putting this together. It has some nice weight to it. Not saying it's heavy, but it feels like a solid product. I really like how it feels in the hands, ladies. It's looking really nice. Like I said, a really solid product. The design is spot on to what the LC upper portion is. And here's the extra thoughtful thing that Marty included. Here are 4 wheels to a skateboard. They're wider than what I have. This way I can hop on my skateboard and get better footage when I bring my gimbal out. So enjoy this install of the new wheels. As stated earlier, this is the LC500 style on the upper portion. I will ask Marty to make this way you can match my grill on the bottom in the F vents. Here's a real quick comparison of the two. Same size, everything lines up. Again, a very solid piece. It feels more solid than the OEM does. Upcoming footage was done handheld just because I didn't want to bust my butt on the skateboard, which you probably see me shake on a few times. I have this PVC little stabilizer thing that I made, but it's too small for my camera, but my phone rig setup that I have, so I don't have the plastic wheel that bigger.